Hello friends, Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And I just wanted to shoot this quick video because I've had some people coming back and asking me, have you left Rumble? How come I'm not seeing any new videos on Rumble and so on and so forth? And they must have missed the this and that video where I did talk about that. And so I want to put it out there and I want to get this on Rumble too for those who miss it there as well. Because I know some people are only watching me on Rumble. And I'm sorry, it's not that I've left Rumble and I'm not leaving Rumble. I'm planning on staying there because I still have videos I'm going to want to, on occasion, it might be rare, put over on Rumble only. Those Rumble only videos or videos that are only in part here on YouTube, but in their full form over on Rumble because of the Thought Police, I actually did compile those together in one place to make them easy to find. And so I'm going to be putting that link down below so that you can find all of those videos. There's 5 or 6 of them, I don't remember, in that link if you want to see them in their entirety. I know there's at least 2 that are, the whole video is only over on Rumble. And so you can find those there in that link. But here is the problem I've come up against, and it's a combination of 2 things, and one of them does have to do, sadly, with Rumble. Over the last couple of months, our internet has been getting slower and slower and slower and slower. And I'm finding out that it sounds like all over the place. It doesn't matter what the internet provider it is, they're seeing the same thing happen. It's really frustrating because we're paying more than twice what we paid when we first got this same internet quite a number of years ago. And though it might not be as slow as dial-up, it sure feels that way sometimes. When we first got internet through the same company, CenturyLink, many years ago, we were paying less than half what we're paying now per month. And when I first started my channel, I don't know what the exact speeds were because I wasn't keeping track of it back then. I didn't know how to do that. But I know that I could upload a 20-minute video in about 3 to 5 hours max. And now for a video of that same length, it takes about 12 hours, sometimes longer. And if it's a longer than that video, it takes even longer. And it's getting progressively worse. And now it's not only that the videos are taking longer to upload, it's that if I try to do anything at all on the computer, because I've got other business I have to take care of on the computer. I'm constantly interacting with people who are purchasing our products through email, and then I got to go look up the shipping prices and get all this information together. Sometimes I can hardly get that stuff done at all because the upload completely brings that stuff almost to a stop. My pages won't load. I have to keep reloading my pages, and it's been making everything takes so much longer to do. So what I was doing before is I would upload to YouTube during the day and then let it upload to Rumble during the night. Well, now with it slowing everything down, I'm better off just only uploading my videos through the night while we're not using the internet, so that I can have daytime when I'm trying to get other business done. I don't have that slowing everything down for me and making everything take 2 to 3 times as long as it should. Well, now let's couple that with Rumble. So not only do I not want to have to be uploading videos all through the day and night, the issue with Rumble is that makes it different from YouTube when it comes to uploading a video, is that if your connection gets interrupted at any point in the upload for any reason, even if it's a fraction of a second, the upload will stop. And you have to go all the way back and start it from the very beginning all over again. It doesn't matter if it's 98% uploaded, 99% uploaded. It doesn't matter. You have to start it completely over from scratch. And I had one of the last Rumble videos I put up, I had to start 5 times before I was finally able to get it fully uploaded and complete without an interruption. Now with YouTube, if there's an interruption, the upload will finish once you're reconnected. The upload will just start right again where it left off. So that I don't have to keep starting over if something like that happens. If we have a power outage and it disrupts our internet connection or whatever, I don't have to worry about that. It'll restart. And so with me only making 2 to 5 cents per day on Rumble, which is for the time, even just hassling with trying to get the video uploaded there and then having to start it over and then having to start it over. I'm sorry, but it's not worth it when my time could be better spent doing other things. But I want to say this, that I will still, if a video topic comes up that I feel should not be, that I'd rather not put on YouTube or is not allowed on YouTube because they have such strict policies, then I'll still put that over on Rumble. That will be those times it's worth it for me to do that because I feel like the information still needs to get out there. Even if I only make $1 or $2 total off that video in a month's time, it's still worth it for me to get the information out there. But it's not worth it for me to every day be pouring this kind of time into the channel as a whole, if I'm only making a few cents a day and I constantly have to keep restarting stuff. So if something happens, either we are able to get a better internet and with better speeds or whatever is going on fixes itself, if that happens, I'll probably start uploading to Rumble on a regular basis again. That's the only thing I can see me going back to doing that regular, is something would have to change. And yes, I've kind of looked into Starlink. Yes, I believe it's fast. Everybody's saying it's fast. A lot of people locally are getting it and they're happy with it. They say everything's just lightning fast. It's wonderful. But I have my reasons why I'm very skeptical about going with Starlink. Again, one of those things I'm not comfortable talking about. Some of it's just based on theories and not fact. I just have some ideas about it that make me feel a little uncomfortable, and I would like to learn a lot more about it before I go that far, or at least kind of keep my eye on some things for a while and see if maybe my hypothesis may be true before I take that leap and do the investment, because that's the other part. It is an investment. You got to buy the equipment. For us, it's going to cost $700 just to buy the equipment. And then it's going to cost, I know it's over $100 a month for the internet, which is even more than what we're paying, which is more than 3 times what we used to pay. At any rate, I just wanted to get that out there and let people know it's not that I've given up on Rumble altogether. It's just right now I have to set it aside unless I really need to put something over there until something changes and I can put stuff over there on a regular basis. And that's going to apply to any video platform. Don't try to talk me into going somewhere else because I'm going to have the same problems. Maybe other video platforms will pick up where they left off, but I don't want to be uploading videos 24/7 just to be able to get them somewhere. So for now, most of the time they're going to YouTube until something changes. So anyway, just want to throw that out there for those who are wondering, and hopefully something will get resolved in the near future. We'll see. And I hope you found this video helpful. Please share your thoughts and ideas down below, especially any thoughts and ideas you have about Starlink. I would love to read them. If you feel like sharing, and if you don't feel like sharing publicly, please email me at raincountryhomestead@gmail.com. All right, well, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.